Planning your getaway to Kusadasi? This sun-soaked coastal gem on Turkey's Aegean coast offers a perfect mix of ancient wonders, seaside charm, and unforgettable experiences. From historic castles and world-famous ruins to vibrant street markets and relaxing beach days, Kusadasi has something for every type of traveler. In this video, we're counting down the 7 best things to do in Kusadasi. Whether you're looking to explore ancient Ephesus, stroll through buzzing markets with a Turkish coffee in hand, or sail off into a glowing Aegean sunset, these top picks will help you plan the ultimate trip. Let's dive into the best sights, flavors, and adventures this stunning destination has to offer. Starting with number 7 on our list. Number 7. Kusadasi Walking Tour. Markets, cafes, and sunset views. Strolling through Kusadasi's vibrant downtown reveals a blend of traditional charm and modern energy. The streets buzz with local markets, where fresh fruits, spices, and handcrafted goods invite you to explore. Colorful stalls overflow with textiles, souvenirs, and unique Turkish delights, offering a feast for the senses. Cafes line the narrow streets, perfect spots to pause and savor strong Turkish coffee or refreshing tea while watching daily life unfold. The aroma of freshly baked simit and sweet baklava drifts through the air, tempting every passerby. As the day winds down, head toward the waterfront promenade, where the setting sun paints the sky with breathtaking hues of orange and pink. The marina fills with boats gently bobbing, and the soft sound of waves mingles with lively street music. This walking tour captures the heart of Kusadasi, its vibrant markets, cozy cafes, and unforgettable sunset views. Whether you're here for shopping, relaxing, or soaking in the atmosphere, Kusadasi's downtown offers an authentic taste of Turkish coastal life. Number 6. Inside Kusadasi Castle, exploring Turkey's island fortress. Rising above the turquoise waters of the Aegean Sea, Kusadasi Castle stands proudly on Pigeon Island, a stone sentinel guarding the coast of western Turkey. Connected to the mainland by a short causeway, this small island fortress offers much more than just history. It delivers breathtaking views and a peaceful escape from the buzz of town. Originally built to defend against pirate attacks, the castle dates back to the Byzantine era, but was later expanded by the Ottomans. As you walk through its arched gates and along its thick stone walls, you'll feel the presence of centuries gone by. Cannons still rest atop the bastions, facing the sea as they once did during times of conflict. Inside the castle grounds, the beautifully maintained gardens and walking paths invite a slow, reflective stroll. Information panels share stories of the island's past, and from the walls, you'll enjoy panoramic views of Kusadasi, the harbor, and the open sea beyond. This is more than a photo stop. It's a place where history, nature, and serenity meet. Kusadasi Castle remains one of the town's most iconic and unforgettable landmarks. Number 5. Exploring Ladies' Beach. Kusadasi's most popular spot. Golden sand, crystal clear waters, and a laid-back vibe. Ladies' Beach in Kusadasi is one of the most beloved seaside spots along Turkey's Aegean coast. Just a short distance from the town center, this stretch of shoreline offers the perfect mix of natural beauty and modern convenience. Start the day with a peaceful walk along the palm-lined promenade. Beachfront cafes begin to open, serving up fresh simit, Turkish tea, and ocean views that set the tone for a relaxing escape. As the sun rises higher, the beach fills with locals and tourists, all drawn to the soft sand and gentle waves. Whether you're here to sunbathe, swim, or try out water sports, there's something for everyone. Beach umbrellas line the shore, while restaurants serve delicious seafood and meze just steps from the water. Evenings bring a different kind of magic. The sun sets behind the hills, painting the sky in hues of orange and pink. A stroll along the water's edge, ice cream in hand, is the perfect way to end the day at Ladies Beach. Number 4. Pigeon Island. Just off the coast of Kusadasi lies Pigeon Island, a small but historic gem that's home to the iconic Kusadasi Castle. It's just a short walk from the town center, about 15 minutes across a scenic causeway lined with boats and views of the Aegean. The island itself is surrounded by a 13th-century Byzantine fortress, often called the Pirate Castle. It was originally built to defend the city from sea invasions, and today it's one of Kusadasi's most visited landmarks. Inside, you'll find a peaceful garden, a small museum, and even a cafe where you can take in the views with a Turkish coffee in hand. Whether you're exploring the ancient stone walls, relaxing on one of the island's small beaches, or just enjoying the sunset over the water, Pigeon Island offers the perfect mix of history and relaxation. If you're planning a visit to Kusadasi, this island fortress definitely belongs on your list. Number 3. Tortuga Pirate Island Theme and Water Park. Get ready for a splash of adventure at Tortuga Pirate Island Theme and Water Park, Kusadasi's first ever outdoor water park with a full-blown pirate twist. Located inside the Atlantique Holiday Club, this place brings the legendary pirate island of Tortuga to life, with themed rides, slides, and water-filled fun for all ages. The biggest thrill? A massive floating obstacle course inspired by the TV show Wipeout. It's wild, challenging, and seriously fun. With over 8 pools, a winding artificial river, and a pirate village vibe, the whole park feels like you've stepped into an island adventure. There's something for everyone. Live DJ performances, regular events, tasty food outlets, and even an interactive playground just for kids. Whether you're diving into the water or dancing by the pool, Tortuga Pirate Island is the ultimate day out in Kusadasi for families, thrill seekers, and anyone who loves a good splash. Number 2. Exploring Ephesus. Ruins, legends, and museum treasures. Exploring Ephesus is like walking through the pages of an ancient history book. Once one of the most important cities of the Roman Empire, Ephesus is home to some of the best-preserved ruins in the world. Begin your journey at the Grand Library of Celsus, a stunning facade that once held thousands of scrolls. Just a few steps away, the Great Theater rises with seating for over 25,000 spectators, echoing stories of gladiators and public gatherings. Stroll along the marble street, once bustling with merchants and citizens. The Temple of Hadrian and the public latrines give fascinating insight into Roman daily life and architecture. Nearby, the terrace houses reveal beautifully preserved mosaics and frescoes, showing how the wealthy once lived. After exploring the ruins, step into the Ephesus Museum in Selçuk. Inside, discover statues, artifacts, and treasures recovered from the site, including the famous statue of Artemis. Together, Ephesus and its museum offer a complete picture of ancient life, from grandeur to everyday moments. Number 1. Head out on a boat trip. Boat trips are a huge part of summer fun in Kusadasi, with plenty of options to choose from. Departing from the jetty near Pigeon Island, tour boats offer day-long cruises along the stunning Delik Peninsula coastline. These trips let you explore hidden coves and stop at secluded beaches, perfect for swimming and relaxing. If you prefer a shorter outing, sunset cruises provide a peaceful way to enjoy the vibrant colors of the Aegean as the sun dips below the horizon. Both options give you a chance to soak in breathtaking views of the coastline and unwind on the water. For those opting for public boat trips, it's worth checking the different operators beforehand. Some boats cater to party crowds, which might not be everyone's vibe. Whether you want a calm, scenic cruise or a livelier experience, Kusadasi's boat tours offer something for every traveler looking to enjoy the sea and sun.